In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image using Adobe Express. So whether you're creating a graphic, a presentation, or a social media post, this tool makes it easy to get a clean cut out. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Adobe Express and already log in with your trial account. So if you have the capacity to buy the plan, you can buy it. So now in here, access the background remover tool, and in here drag and drop an image from your browser on your computer or laptop. So for example, this image, so as you can see, it automatically removes the background if you click the remove background, and they will give you an options for a background change. So you can use these different templates in here. You can also stay it as transparent if you want a transparent background or a cut out photo of yours only. And that's it. That's how you remove a background here in Adobe Express. You can enter the download to start downloading the photos of yours. And that's it. That's how you remove the background in Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.